Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to remove the Powered by Shopify text from Shopify website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So here you can see the text Powered by Shopify. Now we will see how to remove this text. So go to your admin panel and click on online store and click on actions and click on edit languages, and in this search box type here powered, and then you will get this option here, Powered by Shopify. So select the input box and give a single space and delete this text from here, and then click on save. And now I'm going to refreshing my Shopify web store, and here you can see the Powered by text has been deleted. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.